that is a very radical edge climate. I've traveled that whole mountain range the whole way as far, well, not the whole way down as far as it goes, but certainly in Colorado, driven along there, and know a lot of farms and done a lot of consulting in that area. It is a place that climate changes really quickly, right? So, I mean, just think about if you live in Calgary, you can have 20 degrees Celsius in January, and then you can have minus 15 in the middle of summer with hail balls this big. It's more radical the more north you go, but it certainly is radical, that whole strip down, because it's an edge climate. You know, anything like that, coastlines, edges of a prairie to a mountain, and you know, Jeff Lawton and all the permaculture guys have talked about this stuff forever. Bill Mollison. Anytime you have an edge in nature, it's an area of volatility.